We believe that singing, whether it's in large ensembles, small ensembles, in costume or not, that you are feeding your own body, mind, spirit, and voice so that then you can go into the world and share that with other people.
The student at Samford, especially one that's in our ensembles, has an opportunity to really give of themselves, to find a purpose in something that's not about them.
We have so many amazing vocal ensembles, and the new jazz ensemble is wonderful. The worship arts ensemble is great. It's really a different track, especially if you're interested in more of the contemporary worship, which is what I grew up in that field. So it's been great for me to do kind of classical and contemporary at the same time.
It's a real connection here, and one that always fosters growth and mentorship and things like that.
One of the things that drew me to Samford was the way that the faculty works so well together, that they want to work well together as a faculty, but also work with you as a student. They really treat you as a professional and want to help you figure out what you want to do for the rest of your life.
If you are thinking about coming to Samford, I would invite you to our choir rehearsal, because when you sit in that environment and you see those students and you hear the kind of sounds that that choir is making, you think, I want to be in that choir, because they're having fun, they are working very hard, and their record is one of achievement. So everybody wants to be a part of something like that. I am thankful that I'm a part of something like that.